Hello, this is Thomas Van Bommel from MOBI3002 Assignment 4 Calculator. Get right into the instructions here. Mackie Calculator applications support the 4 different Android screen densities. If we go over to the IDE here under Activity Main, you can see all the different densities there. I've got some of them open here. For instance, this is the land, the default land, default large, extra large, and so on. Test on 3 different screen sizes. So if I just hide the instructions here, we can see the Pixel 3a. If we run that, we can see our application runs in that screen size. We can rotate it as well to get a second screen size. Oh. Okay, well it's not. I have to drag it in here. There we are. See a second screen size there. Flip that guy back. Alrighty. And then I guess we can get a tablet for the last one here. Just booting up on the tablet here. There we are. And now we're on the tablet, and everything works as expected. So hide our tablet, bring up the assignment. 2 different API levels. If we go back to the IDE here at the top, it's going to be hard to see. I've got my Pixel C, which is my tablet, on API level 23. And now I've got my Pixel 3a on API level 30. Perfect. At least 1 landscape and 1 portrait. We did that. You decide exactly what sizes and API levels to use. Yep. Use graphics for your plus, minus, multiply, divide buttons such that they are the proper size for the format. I did make SVGs, which are vector graphics, in here in my IDE under drawable. I've got my add, divide, multiply, and subtract XML files there. And if we open them, we can see they're pretty simple. If we go to design view, you can see, there we are, the actual design of it. I went very cartoon-like with it. Let's see here. Oh, and then, so then in all the activities, on each of the buttons, which are highlighted here, under background, we just set that to our drawable SVG. Or you can select it in here too, which that doesn't pop up for OBS. Create a graphic to display with the calculator with your name on it that changes density similar to the screen. Again, I did a vector graphic for this because I was using the Pixel and I was trying to do the icons and it wasn't working, and I realized that the Pixel uses the vector graphic for the icons, so I made this vector graphic, and I also made a circular one as well, and just attach that to the bottom here, and that scales appropriately as well. So if you go to, like, say the extra large, scales appropriately to fit in that space. Create your own mipmap launcher. Create your own mipmap launcher file to match the different screen densities. Under mipmap here, IC launcher, we've got all our square icons, which if we look at those, you see those kind of a checker pattern with the Android in the back. They are blue as well. It's a little bit different than the SVG I created. And then that's the lowest DPI, and then the highest square DPI, and then the lowest round and the highest round. And then you can see, or sorry, if we go to the Android manifest, we can see here the Android icon. This is where I set my SVG icons as drawable, and then you have to set them from this folder. So drawable icon square and drawable icon circular. And then that way, when we run it here on the phone emulator, we actually do get the proper icon here. And again on the tablet here, and this one does not use the SVGs. Oh, my bad. I guess it uses the SVGs if it's available. Okay, I should have tested that before the video. Alright, and then also logcat was part of the assignment here. I'll bring up the assignment. Code, Android emulator, and the logcat output. So if we go over to this, we open up our Pixel, and we sort through this stuff. We'll restart it, see if it, there we go. And so input, and we can put, there we go. You can see it's logging to the logcat every time I click one of those. Perfect. Alright, so that's the assignment. That's assignment 4, GUI calculator for MOBI3002 by Thomas Van Bommel. Thank you very much for watching.